and today I'm going to show you how we can use the discussion board or class discussion on Office 365. Now again, you'll notice I've called it two different names, and that's because class discussion is the friendly name I've given it, but if you're looking for this app on Office 365 then it's called discussion board, so select that one. I'm going to assume you've added it, and on the left hand side, as I say, I've called it class discussion, so I'm going to click on class discussion, and that's going to start loading the app up. Now, to start a discussion, I click new discussion. Depending on the permissions you've given your young people in your class, they may be able to start their own discussions, or it may need for you to start it and they'll be able to reply. Either way, to start a new one, we click on that button, and that is going to allow us to do several things. Firstly, we're going to give the subject of the discussion, so this is the thing that appears in the discussion list. So I'm going to call this lesson on water cycle, because I did a lesson on the water cycle and I want to know what they thought of it. Down the bottom, you'll notice that I am asking a question and want to get an answer from other members. I wouldn't use this if we were having a general chat about a lesson. I would use this, however, in maybe a maths lesson if I'm going to give a question and I want the students to answer it. By doing this, it will allow me to pick an answer that I'm saying is correct. So when you're going to pick a key answer, or possibly if you're going to say, I'm going to pick the best answer to something, then that button you will select. For now, I'm not going to do that because I don't want to give a correct answer at the end of this. I just want their general feedback on the lesson and what they've learned. And I'm going to click save, and that's now saved that discussion. All they need to do then to respond to that is click on the lesson on water cycle, which is now listed under my class discussions, and they'll be able to add their reply. And for adding a reply, it's as simple as clicking on the box, typing in the reply that you want to give, and hitting the word reply on the right hand corner, and they can now reply. Everyone in the class can reply to that discussion. And that is all we need to do to use the discussion board of the class discussion app in Office 365.